Hi everyone, I've got an unboxing for you today, a bit different this one. Today I'm unboxing the latest QVC, I don't know how well you can see that, can you see that? Am I even at the right end? There it is, you can't really see it very well. There we go, TILI. TILI stands for Try It, Love It, and it gives you an option to try some of QVC's beauty products. They've had a few of these now. I've actually skipped the last two. There was a TILI bag which was a bit cheaper, and I've only had one of those in the past. They tend to sell out quicker, and there was a TILI box I missed, basically because I just didn't need anything in the contents and nothing wowed us enough. This one did, for a couple of things that I will show you. So yeah, I think this is still available. Now what this is, it's £20. It will never appear on air, so it's purely via the QVC app or the website. This is QVC UK, by the way. I don't know if QVC US or in any of the countries that are in do anything similar. But yeah, so basically it's the beauty box style box, but with a twist. And this one is really, really pretty. And the theme, there we go, so you see properly, TILI, Try It, Love It. And this theme of this one is ocean vibes. As I say, as of making this video today, this is still available. It's £20 with no extra postage. And this is what it looks like inside. So I've got loads of lovely pale blue shred. So get rid of all of that. Now, this is what you get. Now basically this is just, this basically tells you what you get in your box. So I'll go through every item by item. First item is something that I love. I actually swear by this stuff and everything I've tried from the brand. And it is the Ultrasun Professional Protection Face 30 Anti-Aging Sun Protection for Very Sensitive Skin. Now this is actually the face sunscreen that I'm using at the moment. I used to swear by a Clinique one for years, but I've actually onto this now because literally it sinks into your skin. It makes an ideal base for makeup and primer, and it's amazing. And this size is 25ml, so that's easily enough for a couple of weeks or so. Once a day, and it's once a day. Did I say that? Yeah, you don't need to reapply this. Well, you do in theory. If you're spending a long time in the sunshine, or you're not taking shade breaks, etc., or if you want to be doubly careful, but you actually don't need to. Once a day sunscreen application is the dream. More time for fun holiday activities, right? This SPF gives UVA and UVB protection for up to 8 hours. Apply to clean skin in the shade 30 minutes before going out into the sunshine. So that's that first thing. Gives you a good opportunity to try the line as well. They do a lovely glimmer sunscreen, and their sport ones are really good if you don't like anything claggy. None of them are really white and claggy, so if that's not what you like, then definitely have a look at Ultrasun. So that's that. Right, that's the first item. Next, right, I'm having to have a look because some things are wrapped up. Right, is this it? Yes, it is. Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil, Restoring Night Cream Oil, and this is 10ml tube. So this is a nice travel size. Majority of items in TILI will be travel size, I believe. But obviously the odd one or two makeups and things are full size, and they do sometimes throw full size in. So we'll see what there is in this one. So this is 10ml. Never tried anything from the peptide range for Elemis, but I do actually love Elemis. So we'll see what this is. Inspired by your skin's natural renewal rhythms, this innovative hybrid night treatment combines the hydration of a moisture cream with the protection of an oil. Apply every evening to clean skin and wake up to a revitalized complexion. So look forward to trying that. Next, TILI exclusive. Yeah, just for the box, really. This one, I think. Brush, mini hairbrush, TILI, and it's basically a Detangler brush. It's a nice mini hairbrush, ideal for your things, ideal for brushing your hair, basically. It's terrible because I'm trying to brush my hair backwards and there's a bit here that I don't like and it's sticking up. Yeah, odd hair or two. So what does it say? This utterly adorable hairbrush has been designed especially for you, our TILI customer. It's stiff yet flexible brushes. It means it's perfect for combing through post-beach tangles. Yeah, hairbrush. Always useful. It's a nice handbag size as well, so you could just chuck in your makeup bag. Next, ooh, okay, incredible. Now, let's believe this is one of Nails Inc. brands. they've branched out a bit into face masks, foot masks, and now into makeup. I've actually tried a couple other things in a unicorn set that I got a while ago. It was a pre-Christmas kit I got, and it was really nice. Right, I'm going to have to try and pick the label off so I can open this up for you. And I haven't got any nails at the moment, my nails are awful. Right, this is the incredible Glazin Over Intense Colour Lip Glaze. And the name of it is More Love, Less Likes. So, yeah, we're all in favour of that. So, ooh, it looks quite dark. Okay, it looks quite dark. Ooh, it is quite dark. It actually doesn't blend down to too bad, actually. It's definitely more of a wintry colour. I don't think it's the most summery colour that I've ever seen. It's like a sort of deep sort of rosy mauve. Enriched with vitamin E. And what does it say? This is what it looks like, by the way. And this looks as though it's a full size. So I'll see if I can find a price comparison, and I'll put that in the description box for this one. Right. Warm rose nude, they describe it as. Warm, more love, less likes. High shine, high colour, high impact. This gloss gives a non-sticky, wet look finish made for sultry summer nights. As I say, I think the colour is actually, I take that back what I said about burgundy. It's going down to a nicer nude, more of a nude tone. Right, okay, so that changes slightly. But that looks as though that's a full size. So as I say, I will give you an idea of how much that is. Next, Benefit Their Real Mascara in black, a mini one. I do love their Real. I've actually reviewed their Real on the blog, so I'll link to that review below. Yeah, I like their Real, but I'm actually using Roller Lash at the minute, and I'm actually liking Roller Lash. I'm liking the curl. I do actually have the newest, what is it, Big Bad Girl Bang. I've got one of those to try as well. But yeah, 3 grams, bestseller. It's a good mascara, but I have a love-hate relationship with it. As I say, if you have a read and post, which I'll link below, you'll find out why. Your Poolside Persona needs the best-selling water-resistant mascara. Provides super jet black colour, length and volume, and will fit perfectly in your carry-on, which it will. Everything in this is all perfectly travel-sized. So that's that. Right, what's next? What's next? Oh, is that? No, that's this, sorry. Skinsense by Abby Cleve. Now, Abby Cleve presents Ultrasun on QVC, but she's actually formulated, I'm sorry, my hair's really annoying me. She's actually formulated her own skincare line called Skinsense. There's a lot, I've watched it a bit. I've got to be honest, skincare never wows me. I would happily watch an hour's QVC makeup, but sometimes skincare can be a bit of a drag. But anyway, that's who she is, and it sells well, so it must do something. And this is the Hydranet Intense Concentrate, and this is a 25ml tube. Now this actually looks quite big for what it is, so again, I will try to find price comparisons where I can. So that's 25ml. Quench thirsty complexions with this potent serum, harnessing a patented lamella technology. It helps your skin maintain its natural balance and keeps your skin hydrated for the whole day. Which, and to be honest, in this weather we need. It's supposed to be warmer down south over the next few days, but we're still going to get a bit of warmth and humidity up north where I am. But we also are going to get a bit of rain. We've had a bit of rain today, and we had a bit of rain yesterday. So actually, we had a lot of rain yesterday. But it makes a change. But yeah. So your skin needs hydration. Hydration, hydration, hydration. So fingers crossed that'll do. I'll have a little look and have a read on that before I use that, just to make sure I'm using it properly. Next, Ren. Now, I don't know if I've tried this one before. I don't think I have, but I'm actually really curious to try this. They've actually wrapped a few things up for some reason, and I kind of wish they hadn't, because it's more packaging and it's awkward to open on camera. You're trying to tear plastic that literally will not tear. Yeah. Anyway, Ren. I think this is kind of a sort of acid toner. I think that's what this is. Every time you think you're nearly there, you find some more plastic. Yeah. Made it. Right, this is the Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So it's a alpha hydroxy acid one. And this is 50ml, so it's a good size. A gentle exfoliating toner that resurfaces your skin for a brighter complexion, minimising the appearance of pores, infused with lactic acid, azelaic acid and willow bark, used daily after cleansing. I'll definitely give this a go. I am a fan of Pixi Glow Tonic, as you know. I'm actually using a Superdrug version at the moment, a Daily Radiance one, which actually I like. It's a little bit more, I want to say stingy, but I don't. It just feels as though it's working more than the Pixi does on me. But I don't like the smell. It smells like aftershave, which is kind of nice if you're single, but you know, covering your face in aftershave smelling things isn't always the way to go. But I do like it, and it is a cheaper alternative to the Pixi. But I'll definitely give this a go and see what this is like. So I look forward to giving that a good try. Next, Elasticizer. Now, this is one of the reasons why I got it. Hold on, I'm going to try and see if I can do this without destroying my bathroom cabinet in the process. I love Elasticizer. I'm currently using this one, which is and this hair stuck to it, Philip Kingsley Elderflower and Rhubarb. So I love Elasticizer. It's really good. I know a lot of people have been a bit disappointed with it, but for me it really has made a difference to my hair. I only do it once a week. I don't do it anywhere near as often as they tell you to, but I do think it makes a difference even using it just once a week. Basically put it on damp hair, leave it. I leave mine for at least half an hour. My mum has short hair and she uses it as actually a styling product, which I have heard people do, so you're actually getting a little bit of moisture here all the time and then you wash it out. But it doesn't really work on long hair like that, but you just basically damp your hair down, put it all over your hair, and then spend as long a time. If you're going to the beach or something, it's perfect, so it's great for holidays. Or you can just leave it 20 minutes and then wash it and shampoo out as normal. So I'm actually using the matching shampoo and conditioner to that at the moment. But this is new. This is Pomegranate and Cassis. So it's a new fragrance. They're now doing limited editions, 40 ml. What it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Not quite as fruity as I thought it would be. Nice though, very nice. Definitely use that. Love this stuff. If you're going on holiday, get this, get some of this, and it'll guarantee it'll make a difference. Right, final product, and it's another one wrapped in bubble wrap. Thankfully, this one's a bit easier to open. And I've got Elasticizer everywhere. And can I get anything? I haven't got anything to wipe it off at the moment. Right, this is the Ritual of Ayurveda Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel with Rose and Sweet Almond. I actually love these Ritual shower gels. I think it's the Cherry Blossom, the Sakura one I like the most, but these are really nice. I've had a few from pressed bags and things, and a few in beauty boxes before, and they're really nice. This is a 50 ml size, so again, if you're only travelling with hand luggage, it's an acceptable size. Make shower time a little more luxurious with this uplifting Indian rose and sweet almond foam. So basically, comes out, a brilliant for shaving your legs with, a brilliant for if you like a bit more moisturising shower, so that's good for that. All in all, I do think that was a good box. Now, the good thing with TILI is basically you can have a look online for it, and you can see what's in the box before you buy it. So if it's not one you don't like, as I say, the last couple haven't been for me, then don't buy it, basically. So you know exactly what you're getting when you pay, you know what you're getting when you pay your money, basically. So I'm going to try and give you an idea of some of the prices for this, if I can. As I say, a lot of these are, like, I mean, if they're sample sizes, they're decent sample sizes. So I would say more travel size. Now this definitely looks to be a full size, so this probably could cover at least most of the price of the kit. So I'll let you know below about any prices if I can find any. And I know this size of Elasticizer goes for at least about £6–7, so you're probably nearly at the value of the kit already. But anyway, I'll let you know, give you any idea of pricing if I can. And yeah, as I say, it is available now. They did have some left. So if it's gone in the process of me making and uploading this video, I do apologise, but it was there this morning. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've ever got a TILI box. Let me know what you think of the contents of this box, and if you've tried any of these products, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my description box, because I will leave lots of information down there. I'll link to my They're Real review. I'll link to the TILI box. And as I say, I'll give you a full list, and I'll also put a couple of my social media links down there as well. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you really soon with another video, which will be another unboxing. Thanks, bye.